offender. Nipa na upre nipa no. I didn't know this. Obi can say, I didn't come out this. Now, can you maybe can say me? Hurt people hurt others. But hurt people can also become healers. One uncle for prayer or no. Ya no person prayer for us. Now so one will be a prayer or no. Yeah, they can become healers. Don't forget that. Don't turn your past hurt into a weapon to hurt others. Become a healer. You must break the cycle and become a healer. Because you are memoaching.
Meju so.
Because you are na at saying. And no, I'm no coding come about it. Maybe papa ye no ye sikenisa. But the adibi wurai mu. Ye ni mbriade. We are very confident people.
Yeah.
As
a live contented life.
We are very
content.
Very contented. Maybe I have and now no.
And many Japadia Kessia Papa Diao.
Shall share many. Oh, you will love it.
And you be any baby. There will be a one.
We are thinking of Sunny Bessia. That's how we are. Because we got two major say or chromophobia. Oh, yeah, dear. No, maybe 8 years. Like a hunwich we are Miss Papa Yanchino. We are going into miles into the bush.
Yeah.
Now, oh no, a benny panel good for us all this cameras. And on one board, no body and
the component and a body and a woman be a can't.
Now, I'll call on catch Mr. Kwame. We are fine to the bush. Say, I'm finding something.
Hey,
Obi Bray. Now, when you know, Kai who say, Eddie, I am she. Any I am she. And I handle nipa. No, can't say me to say. So, what the bonnet check. Now, what the Adriani Manipa. When you're she.
So, what the bonnet check. Now, many podi any dear. When you're she.
Also, when you're she, the least you can do in life.
The least you can do in life, and say, oh, to be bedi, and now so would you be born a bachelor. When you're she, the least you can do.
It's the least you can do.
Powerful lesson, Papa.
It sank deeply in me.
Hey,
to me, yam shimani, Papa.
Obi dine no na ono no feeding na onim se wo ye na koa.
Oh,
obi wa ha se obi e dine no
na
ono ne feeding na.
Me na ma odie.
Me na ma odie. Me tia wo ka me na me yesi o pese nipa bia da fam no tietia wo so. But eno no ya de atwa to okura wa brabo. The least I would be manipa.
Aduane.
Se wo de bone be chi nipa. Ana wontu obi be didie.
O se wo bompa akaka se. My de duane. Ente wo kura wa wiane wodi no. Obi na supply. Nyame na de ma wo. Nyame na supply duane. So become a transmitting grade.
Na se papa yenyu so duane en twa nipa mpoa.
So you see, what I've seen in life is that say woman daily supplies say duane sentade say niema manipa
abrabo ye comfortable kakra.
If you deny others that, in fact, you are not fit to live. The reason is that Sani mani na obi na supply.
Obi na ma wo.
Home ya home
obi na de ma wo.
Nante a nante ko obi na supply. And it's a one person or yonko benya those supplies. Emma obra at least at the basic level, you are not fit to live.
You are not fit to live.
Utimo demba. And obi enyaduan. What did dia mautugu? Wow. You are strange. What did dia mautugu?
When you snap many pa.
Oh, Tadia Maos fa edentare ekogu bolemu.
Obra fa many panche.
What? Oh, Pabuama. Oh, yeah, no, attraction. Do you have a conscience?
Baby.
That's for me. That's the biggest lesson and asset and legacy. Obetini Jawaba. Because baby, and Danis no. Yeah,
you need to be a bogu.
Okay. Mesemi na na yebu.
Yebu. Adibia obeja. Adibia obeja. Every material thing be obeja dia ma o ma.
We are funny in life.
Ebe nenso woman no. Ajini mu
mana jini mu do.
wo maninya tema nipa
maninya tema maninya do
na se ba won me say onye good person
exactly mani character
owo suban
yen summarize ni nyina give your child
character
asa
bunipa shafra ne so wo munipa
ma yen show manipa
yeah
manisua bonifache manisua jumaden manisua enwentaso
wow
these are the values in life. Listen, because your kingdoms arise, kingdoms will fall, but these values they transcend empires.
Papa Sakabim, very powerful.
Kingdoms arise, kingdoms will be broken, but these values will transcend them all. And so what kind of books, what kind of history book?
Yeah,
you came across people who were resilient. People are. I mean, look at Alexander the Great.
Yeah. No, he did about me.
Konkasa. Where is he today?
Yeah, he's gone.
Seasons are not eternal.
Yeah.
They omeba no masako. And it's a what the subai, what the ajunipa, what the ajunmotel, what the character. Now, what the wura obemwa is the greatest asset.
A jeopardy kasi a lasting legacy.
When passing on,
yeah,
and they are to me are passing on to Oba.
Oh, subai.
Hey, na yes, away no. Hey, kwesi bra.
Mama
aka for.
But when you subai, obeto class and the akoshiwi.
You know what?
The akoto cocaine.
If you give assets to an untrained mind, you have given assets to the wind.
Papa, say repeat. I'm from Rechi. We will see pause and replay.
If you give assets
to
an untrained mind, to a life that has no character, you have handed your entire asset to the wind. I'm
make a pause, Papa. And that's the ball raps at the end. And Papa, pause, repeat and replay. Papa,
I'm saying, if you amass asset and you give the asset to an untrained mind,
so would you Japadia Emma a junior entity no?
You give the asset to a person without character. It is like giving your entire asset to the wind. No. You've wasted your entire legacy.
Na enye
enti me 14 acres me di jao
me businesses 10
me di jao me osika 2 million me di jao this I won't say what kind of character
suban ben ni adwene ben no mo de be manage
na wo de agya no friend first na kan kwasi de me di jao
subanpa abrabo papa akoma pa adwene mu tie
bia wadwene mu do
adwumaden
ye adwuma acquire your own properties. Where there, just an addition.
And I'm a piece of
money. Anyway, money who say you are giving them the soft part. And you're the hard way, no? And I'm Orlando.
Ajineno.
Because you repeat, pause,
replay. Ajineno.
And Yankamio, message. If you amass every wealth in the world, and then you hand them over to an untrained mind, and not a person without values and character. It is just like you have handed your asset to the wind. Your legacy is wiped off. A serious statement. Eti yanga ya de japade be
na de ho
Gen Z abey want to 10 no ye want to 10
oni character
papa oni suban oni just so na dia basa
woni ahohyeso wakasa basa ne bufu basa na tinka wontimi hyeso na dwene entity
woni
okasa kro didi atam
na I say me ma cast o ya okoto nya dia no wi o free mu ayi
wakoto dia ye nu wakosa de koya ma asem
o be ma
benum nsan
o de tutu kwan o de afama asa
oni suban
asa
but papa wo ma akoda suban a
give the child character, give the child perseverance, give the child open mind, give the child humility, give the child a hard-working ethic, give the child the respect of others. Nefe dia akano o say me dey pay also. You'll be amazed. Obedin dine no. Obi to kwan and all day achede and the talent. Edema o ma ba 5 also 10 5 and a 2 and a 1. The one character no. Go to 2 fam.
Edisho ya.
Eti enra me ne mpanyin fo no edi nkomo pa.
Yeah.
Na